3 years ago, I was a gas station manager, working 12-hour shifts, feeling exhausted and wishing I had more time with my family. But today, I'm building something different, something that gives me the chance to work from home, working only a few hours a day, and be there for my family. And the truth is, it all started with one thing: learning how to use digital marketing. Hi, my name is Mary. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3 boys. I know what it feels like to want to take care of your family, but still feel stressed about money. I help moms just like you learn a simple way to make money online, even if you have no experience, so you can start building income from home without feeling overwhelmed or confused. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this one of those things where I have to sell products to my friends?
No.
This is not MLM. Do I have to message strangers all day and beg people to buy from me?
No.
You don't. And maybe you're thinking, I'm already busy. I don't have extra time. I understand, because I've been there. This is about creating something that can fit around your family, not something that takes you away from them. If you're a mom who wants to learn how to start an online business in a simple way, you're in the right place. On this channel, I share simple steps to help you build something from your phone without feeling overwhelmed. And if you're ready to stop guessing and want a step-by-step roadmap to start your own online business, check the link in the description. It's the same simple system I used to get started, and it can help you understand exactly what steps to take next. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more ways to create more freedom with an online business. So, what is digital marketing really? In the simplest way, digital marketing is using the internet to help people find things they need and making money when you connect them to the right product, service, or idea. Think about brands like Target or Sephora. They do not only wait for people to walk into a store anymore. They use the internet. They show people products online, share helpful content, and make it easy for customers to buy. Digital marketing works the same way. Instead of standing in a store all day, you can use your phone, create content, and reach people who are already looking for answers. And the reason this is growing so fast is simple: people are spending more time online than ever before.
They search online before they buy.
They watch videos before they make decisions. They look for ideas, solutions, and products from people they trust. That means there are more chances than ever for regular people to build something online. And I want you to hear this, because I know what many moms think when they hear about digital marketing. You might be thinking, but I'm not good with computers. Or I don't know anything about online business. Or maybe I don't have a lot of money to start. I thought the same thing. But the truth is, you do not need a degree. You do not need fancy tech skills. And you do not need a lot of money to begin. What you need is a willingness to learn, a phone, and the right system to follow. Because digital marketing is not about being perfect. It is about learning how to share, connect, and help people online. And anyone can learn that. One of the things I love most about this journey is that it does not have to take all day. You do not need to sit on your phone from morning until night.
You do not need to miss family time.
For me, I built this around my life, and I learned how to use just a few focused hours each day. A simple day can look like this. The first hour is about creating. This is when I make content, share my story, and create things that help people. I think about the questions people are asking, the problems they have, and how I can give them value. The second hour is about connecting and growing. This can be checking messages, learning new skills, improving my content, and making sure the right people can find what I share. And that's it. Then I step away. I get to be with my family. I get to enjoy the moments that matter. I get to watch my boys play soccer and cheer for them / without feeling like I have to choose between being a mom and building something for myself. Because that is the beauty of digital marketing. You can create something that keeps moving even when you're not sitting there working every minute. Your content can reach people while you are cooking dinner. It can bring new people to you while you are spending time with your family. It can keep working even after you put your phone down. Now, does it happen overnight?
No.
It takes learning, patience, and showing up. But when you have a simple system and you know what steps to take, it becomes possible. And if you're wondering what that system looks like and how you can start building something like this from your phone, stay with me, because I'm going to break it down step by step. Now, I know one question many people have is, but what if I don't want to be on camera? And I understand that, because not everyone feels comfortable showing their face online. The truth is, showing your face can help people connect with you faster because people like seeing the person behind the message. But that does not mean it is the only way to start. Today, there are tools that can help you create content even if you are shy, private, or just not ready to be on camera yet. For example, Canva can help you create beautiful posts, videos, and designs without needing to be a designer. ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas, write captions, plan content, and help you know what to say when you feel stuck. CapCut can help you edit videos, add text, captions, and effects without needing advanced editing skills. And tools like ElevenLabs can help create voice recordings, so you can share your message without having to record your own voice every time. These tools do not replace you. They simply make the process easier. You still bring your story. You still bring your ideas. You still bring the message you want to share. The goal is not to become someone else online. The goal is to find a way that feels comfortable for you and start showing up. Because there are people out there who need what you have to share, even if you choose to stay behind the scenes. Now, I want to share the part that really changed things for me. When I first started learning about digital marketing, I felt overwhelmed. There was so much information everywhere. I did not know what to learn first, what steps to take, or how to put everything together. I was trying to figure everything out on my own, and honestly, it felt like too much. That is when I found a simple done-for-you framework that helped me see the process in a clear way. Instead of guessing every day, I had a path to follow. It gave me the tools, the training, and the steps I needed to start building online in a simple way. It showed me how to create content, how to share the right message, and how to build something without feeling lost. The biggest thing it gave me was confidence. Because when you have a simple plan, you stop spending all your time wondering, am I doing this right? And you can start focusing on taking action. And I want you to understand something: you do not have to know everything before you begin. You do not have to be perfect. You just need the right direction and the willingness to learn. That is why I love sharing this, because I know how it feels to have the dream, but not know the next step. So if you have been watching this and thinking, I want to do this, but I don't know where to start, I want you to know you are not doing this alone. There is a simple way to learn this step by step, and I'm here to show you how. I want to share something with you that I think a lot of people need to hear. When I first started, there was a moment where I almost gave up. I remember looking at everything I had to learn and thinking, maybe this is not for me. I was trying to understand new things, trying to build something from my phone, and some days it felt easier to just stop. Because starting something new can feel scary. You look around and see other people who seem like they already know what they are doing, and you start questioning yourself. I had those moments too. But then I remembered why I started. I did not start because I wanted something easy. I started because I wanted a different life. I wanted more time with my family. I wanted to build something that gave me more choices. And that is when something changed for me. I stopped trying to be perfect, and I started focusing on learning one step at a time. I realized I did not need to have everything figured out today. I just needed to keep showing up and keep learning. And that small mindset shift made a big difference. Because the truth is, every person you see building something online started somewhere. They had questions. They had doubts. They had days where they wanted to quit. The difference is they kept going. So if you are watching this and you feel like you are starting from zero, I want you to know I understand that feeling. I was once the person wondering if I could really do this too. But one small step can lead to a completely different future. And sometimes the biggest change starts with simply deciding to try. Now, I want you to think about what this could look like for you. Not in a way where everything changes overnight, because real growth takes time. But imagine waking up and knowing you are building something of your own. Imagine being able to help with a bill that used to feel heavy. Imagine having a little extra room in your budget. Imagine not feeling like every month is a struggle. Imagine being there when your kids come home from school. Sitting with them, hearing about their day, and knowing you did not have to miss that moment because you were stuck somewhere else. That is the kind of freedom I am talking about. And it starts with learning a simple skill. Digital marketing gives you the chance to use your phone, share helpful content, connect with people, and build something that can grow over time. It is not about chasing a quick win. It is about creating small steps that can lead to bigger changes. A video you create today can help someone tomorrow. A skill you learn today can open a new door later. The effort you put in now can build something for your future. Because sometimes we are not looking for a huge life change all at once. Sometimes we just want a little breathing room.
We want to feel less stressed.
We want more choices. We want to know we are creating something that belongs to us. And that is what makes this exciting. You do not need to have the perfect background. You do not need to start with everything figured out. You can start where you are, learn as you go, and build one step at a time. When I look back at where I started, I remember the tired days. I remember feeling like I was always giving my time and energy to everything else, while wondering when I would get the chance to build something for myself. But one small decision changed my life. I decided to learn a new skill. I decided to believe that I could create something different. And that simple step opened a new door for me. And maybe you are watching this right now because a part of you wants that too. Maybe you want more time with your family. Maybe you want a little more freedom. Maybe you just want to know that you are building something that can give you more choices. The good news is, you do not have to figure everything out alone. I put together a free guide that shows you the simple way to start learning digital marketing and understand how this online world works. You can find it in the description below. Take your time, go through it, because the first step is not about having all the answers. The first step is simply deciding that you are ready to learn something new. And if I can go from feeling stuck and overwhelmed to building something from my phone, you can start too. Your future does not change because of one big moment. It changes because of the small steps you choose to take today.